Hey guys, welcome to this week's Fab In 5s. This is my bi-weekly series where we get fabulous in 5 minutes or less. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. I do have it on one eye already because I just already recorded this intro, the application, but realized my microphone I had not pressed record. So that is my bad. So this product is supposed to be a universal mascara that has a unique eye hugging brush to lift, lengthen, curl, and volumize each and every lash type for a lusher look. A weightless, easy to build formula with a curvy, multi-length brush, which is basically everything that you'd want to see. So if you're interested in finding out how this product actually works, if it's worth all the hype, then keep on watching. So as I said, I've accidentally messed up and I do have it on one eye. So I'm gonna show the footage in just a second. This is the actual packaging. I really like the just simplicity of it, that nice like off-white kind of pinky cream shade with the gold, the cute little logo on top. It is like a nice chunky tube, which for some reason I just personally like. I don't know, maybe some people like the thinner ones because they fit better, like they're smaller, but for some reason with mascara, when it's nice and chunky, it just stands out to me. So this is the actual wand, which I do think looks really nice. It looks like it has very densely packed bristles, which typically is found in very volumizing mascaras, but it's not super, super large, which most volumizing mascaras I find can be really big. So it's still skinny enough that I think it's going to be good for any eye shape and size. It looks like it has the perfect amount of product on it. Like it's not gooping loads of product on it, but it also doesn't look dry. So I will pop up the footage of me applying this eye right here. As you can see, as I'm applying, it's fanning the lashes out really, really beautifully. It is adding quite a bit of length. It is adding pretty decent volume. And it actually does curl the lashes really well. I did not curl the lashes with a curling, manual. Like I didn't curl them is what I'm trying to say. So they look really, really nice and, noticeable. It's making my eyes pop. The length is really good for one layer. I am going to build it, but it looks really nice. There's no clumping. It has the perfect amount of product. It's a little bit like it feels maybe a tiny bit more wet, but it also isn't a very thick formula. So that's what I think prevents it from getting really thick and clumpy, which I love. So I am going to go ahead and finish and then add a second layer and I'll give you my final review. Okay, so second layer now. Ooh, I'm really enjoying this, guys. So as you can see with the second layer, it's just added even more length and it's just added even more volume. This is really making them just pop. And it's not looking chunky or clumpy at all. Yeah, so A+ for me, guys. This mascara is definitely worth the hype, definitely worth the purchase. It is only $26 Canadian. So I believe it's like $20 or $21 US. You can find mascaras in the drugstore for that price. I will write a note down in the description box below if I notice any flaking, any transferring, any smudging, any issues. As of right now, this is one of the best mascaras I've ever tested. It's definitely going in my use everyday drawer. I'm super excited to have it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.